so here we are, Disney Saratoga Springs, just outside of our villa, and we are staying in the Congress Park section of the Saratoga Springs, and we are in villa number 2345. How about that? 2345, easy to remember, right?
Easy.
We have a one-bedroom villa, and again, this is part of Disney Vacation Club, and one of the cool features about this resort and staying on Disney property is what?
Is that you have two options to open your room, to unlock the door. You can use your mobile phone and use the Disney app, or you can use the magic band to open the door. So we're going to show you now how to use the cell phone to open the door.
Yeah, the cool thing is all you need to do is download the My Disney app and the My Disney Experience app, and boom, you don't even have to go to the front desk.
Yeah, everything, if you have your account linked to the app, everything is done automatically. So
it's perfect.
Yeah, it's ready for you to just click the or tap the link to unlock the door, and you get this screen.
Yep. So let's show them.
And then they're unlocked.
Just like that, you're in.
Welcome home.
All right, so when you walk in from the front entrance, you walk right into this beautiful little lobby, and it's a nice little entryway where you have this beautiful mirror. We're using the hang up here to hang our masks and hats. Little credenza here to store whatever you might need to, and again the cute artwork theme to Saratoga Springs with the animated horses. And one of the things we noticed immediately upon arrival, it's very nicely appointed, and the great thing is they just recently did a full renovation of this resort in 2020, so we're one of the first guests to actually get to stay in here since the resort was shut down for a while. So we're going to show you what some of those beautiful amenities are, starting out right here over my shoulder. Nice electronic keypad so you can control your air conditioning and your temperature of the room. And all of the lighting controls have been updated as well as the ceiling fan up there. So let's look at the kitchen.
So we're in the kitchen now. It's very nice. You have everything that you need. The fridge, the stove, microwave, a lot of storage. They even give you, glasses, plates, whatever you need. You also have the coffee maker and some coffee supplies. We brought our own stuff to be snacking in the room because you have the opportunity to do that in a villa. And I think this is pretty convenient if you're staying for a longer period of time.
And just off the kitchen, we have this great little seating area directly behind me here. And I'll move around here so you can see that. So this is great. You have a table, a bench seat, and then these two chairs that you can kind of configure and move around. So if you've got a family, plenty of space to sit down and have a meal together. And again, that's right off the kitchen. And then moving in, you've got the living room right here. And there are a couple features I wanted to point out. One is this really cool little coffee table here. You can see I've got my computer and his computer. This is on wheels, so it moves around. And here's the really cool thing. Check this out. All you do is pull up on it, and look at that. I got a workstation. So it's very convenient, and there's some storage in there. So that's cool. Cool. So that goes together and comes up really easy, and it's a little more difficult to put down. You gotta go to the other side and kind of hold it since it's on wheels. But again, very easy. I'm gonna move this off to the side because here's one of the other cool features. If you're a family, unlike us, we're just the two of us. If you're a family staying here, you got this big, beautiful flat screen TV, plenty of room for everybody to see. It's like a 60-inch TV. But if you got a small child staying with you or a small adult, grab this handle. Ta-da! You have this great single bed, and check it out. Goofy. Each one of the beds in the resort has a cool little animated character. I think that's great. And obviously themed with the resort. And one of the other cool things I'll point out to you too, we are here during the time of COVID, so they have done enhanced cleaning, and they pointed out that they have really focused on all of the spots in the room to really do a good job cleaning. So just wanted to point that out. So in addition to that, you know that your room is pretty safe. So I'm going to close this up and then I'm going to show you the other cool feature of this room. So in addition to the great little single bed that comes out underneath the TV, if you've got a couple maybe teenagers traveling with you or a couple other adults, we got another option here. So right now we got a nice safe sofa area. Grab a handle with a little effort, not too much. It takes a little more than the first one. You got a queen size bed right here. And again, some Disney artwork, very cool. Mickey and Minnie, Pluto, and Donald and Daisy hanging out. So really this is a nice feature. Since this is a one-bedroom villa, it will comfortably sleep 4 to 5 people. All right, so now we're going to take you into the bedroom and show you what's going on here. Come with us. So again, very spacious. One of the things that I like about this villa, plenty of room. Check out, big master king-size bed, absolutely beautiful. Plenty of space. A couple things to point out in this room that I really like, and the fact that it's a bedroom and it's been renovated. Both of the lamps on either side of the bed have not only power outlets, but they have USB, which is fantastic. And I really love the touches of artwork above the bed. You've got the Disney characters interspersed within these beautiful old Saratoga Springs photos. And if you're not familiar, Saratoga Springs is a great little town in upstate New York, famous for horse racing. So one of the other things that I thought was great when we checked in, you can see here's a remote. It's in this great little bag. It says cleaned. Another thing that they've done to ensure safety. Plenty of storage in the room, another big TV. So you got all these wonderful drawers. This is a great little credenza with extra shelves. I really like it. And beautiful windows looking outside, which is great. So again, plenty of space. Shall we look at the bathroom? Because the bathroom is quite spectacular. Come on, let's see. It's a little confusing though. There's lots of doors. We'll show you. So you come in here. There's no door here, but there is a door here. We'll close it for now. Come along. Beautiful sink and a big soaking tub. I will say there's a little missed opportunity here in the soaking tub. Don't you think some big, beautiful artwork would look really nice here? Something Disney? I think. Just my idea. Nice spacious closet to hang your clothes, put your suitcases, and if you don't want to see it, you can close it off. A little tip from us though, keep it open for whatever reason. There's no air flow in there, and if you close the door and you open it, you can feel the heat. We discovered that this morning. But anyway, plenty of storage here in the bathroom, and again, lots of outlets. We like nice mirror for those that need to get up close and personal to their faces. So speaking of doors, let's turn around here, Juan Carlos. This door goes into this little area, which includes your walk-in shower, and it's got a double shower head, nicely appointed with the special Disney soaps, the old Disney H2O. So plenty of space in the shower, which is nice. And another sink in here with some more storage. And this would be used if you were using the main salon area for the bedroom, you know, if you had other guests staying with you. So they have their own door. So speaking of doors, there's one, and look, another door. Do you think there's enough doors in there? So the door to the commode. So there you have it. And I like that there's a door. But it is confusing. Door, door, oh, so loud. And another door. Bye. Are you still there? Are you there? All right, so now we're out of the bathroom area, getting ready to go into the main area, and there's another door here. And this is one of the special things about staying at a DVC resort that I really like, if you're going to be here for multiple days and you don't want to go home with dirty clothes, check it out, folks. You got a washer and dryer. It's pretty special. Not all timeshare resorts have this, so I like it. So let's go look at perhaps the best thing about staying at this resort, the balcony and the view. Come with us. And you know you're here at Disney when you got Mickey embossed into your balcony railing. Check it out. And directly across, we have a view of Disney Springs. So there you go. A little tour of our villa. What do you think of it, Juan Carlos?
I love it. Yeah, it's very nice. I love the location. I think the view is kind of similar to the one that we had at the boardwalk, because we had like a green area and then
Yeah,
the
very
lake.
much.
It's very similar. I like the fact that the Disney Springs is right there, like super close, so we can even just walk
Yeah.
from here. The villa itself is just magnificent. It's beautiful. I love the artwork. The little details are what is special about it. Like, you know, the artwork inside that bed in the bedroom. That's
Yeah, it's like a hidden surprise.
Yeah.
You open it up and you're not expecting that. It's the Disney difference, and that's one of the
Exactly.
things, you know. Certainly you pay a little bit more money to stay on Disney property, but you get what you pay for,
yeah.
you know.
That is true.
So we will give you a couple tips if you are going to stay at this resort. This is, again, one of the largest resorts on Disney property, as we will show you on our tour. We are staying in what's called Congress Park, and there are many different sections of this resort. Congress Park happens to be the closest section of this resort to the Disney Springs area. So if you're somebody that really wants to take advantage of Disney Springs and you're looking to be able to walk to Disney Springs, maybe request staying in this area versus another area of the resort, because it might be too far of a walk and you might have to drive. We're a little overcast today, so that's nice.
It's very quiet
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, this resort is very quiet, which I do like that. You can hear the birds chirping and yeah, anyway. So, anything else you want to say about the villa and the room?
Yeah, it's a very enjoyable experience.
Yeah, so far.
So far it's been just great.
Yeah, we slept well, the bed was comfortable, the pillows were comfortable, plenty
The air
of...
conditioning works very well.
Yeah, we will say it was definitely, so far we haven't got the happy medium yet about the air. It's either cold or it's a
Yeah.
little warm. So we're trying to figure that out, but you know, that's neither here nor there. So let's go tour the resort and show you what's around here, because we don't know yet. We haven't gone exploring.
So follow along and watch our next video, which is our resort tour.
Yes, the resort tour will be next. And if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and hit subscribe.
Hit the subscribe button.
Do it. Give us some thumbs up. Ask us any questions you might have too. We love answering and responding to comments and questions. Yeah. So thanks a lot for watching. And as always, happiness is
a
a lifestyle. Thanks.